Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will learn how a lender can create an appraisal order that requests for a quote and how will he respond to a quote, like negotiate with the value that has been provided as a quote, or how he is going to respond to an accepted or a rejected quote value. So I will guide you through each step. So first of all, as you can see, we are currently logged in as a lender user, that is Neil Armstrong, and we are on the dashboard. We have to navigate towards the appraisal orders from the menu bar, and it will navigate us to this page. We need to click on the new appraisal order button, and it will navigate us to the appraisal order page. Okay, now we are here. Now we are on the appraisal order form page, and I have pre-filled it. Just gonna go and add a required code. Again, I will show how you can do that. So basically, this is all the standards appraisal type. If I want to select any appraisal order that has a quote value in it, which means that is a jumbo, or it's a complex project, or it is a jumbo size project, so that for which the lender itself has to define a value that this should be the fee for this project. For example, a 2 to 4 family jumbo, 2 to 4 family FHA jumbo, or if any other, or it's a commercial project. So basically, it requires a quote. So for currently, I'm just going with the 2 to 4 family jumbo. So it says that the fee quote is required. So over here, I need to describe my request. Like if I want to request and whatever amount I need to have for this, like I want to request, I can say that I want this project to be done in $900 because it's complex. And then I just submit this project. This is the last page where we have to review all the details of that, and it says that this is the amount. This is the amount that we have set for this. That is 20 for the technology fee, and the quote is required. So I will submit the order. So as you can see that the appraisal order has been created successfully, but code is being prepared, which means that the A2Z AMC operational admin and the team members will be reviewing your order, and then they will prepare a fee code, and then you have to agree on it, or you can provide another code. So if we go back to the main screen, the status that is showing is that the fee, it says awaiting code. This order is basically under operational admin's review. So after it has been reviewed, and then we will be able to see what will be the response of it. Okay, now we are moving back towards the appraisal order, and you can see this for this specific that the quote response is needed, and the quote that has been provided is $880. So we'll click on this specific appraisal order, and you can see that the quote fee, it is $880. The technology fee is 20, so it will be total amount would be $860, and it's $20 the technology fee, and the total amount will be 880. So, and the reason that it have provided is this. So do you want to accept the code, or you want to reject the code? If you accept the code, basically you are agreeing on this amount. And if you feel like, no, this amount is not sufficient, and you reject the code, you have to reject the code. If you feel it's okay, you have to accept the code, and the code has been accepted, and you will move towards the payment requirement. The payment is required. Okay, we have another appraisal order for which the code is required, and we need a response is needed. So basically the code that is required is 899. So if we click on this specific appraisal order, the amount that it's going to be, it's $880, and the technology fee is $20, which is almost $900. So for this, we are going to reject a code. When the code is rejected, we need to provide the reason. So we provide and we reject the code. So when the code is rejected, our team may send a revised code. Okay. After the operational admin has reviewed it again, so they have resent the code, and it says that the code respond is needed. So if we click on this, we can see now the code has been updated to $900, which means that now if we want to accept the code or we want to reject the code. So if it's according to your choice or what you want, so you can accept the code. So once it's accepted, it will move to with the payment page. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.